17174, just advise subject's running. He's going to be hitting I-10 eastbound. He's right over the underpass on Yarbrough.
Somewhere, I got him.
Careful.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, no. Don't jump. Hey, stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there. I'm here. What's wrong? What's wrong?
Someone call 911.
Yeah, I'm here. Just go and sit down.
All right, boy.
Sit down.
Boy.
Sit down. Sit down.
Call 911, please.
Yeah.
Someone call 911, please. What's your badge number, sir? What's your badge number, sir?
Sit down. You're gonna get tased. Get the down. I'm gonna tase you. Get the down. Get the down.
What's your badge number? What's your badge number?
Get the down.
What's
Or
your badge?
tase you.
What's your
That's
badge
it.
number? What's your badge number? What's your badge number?
Lie down.
Officer, what's
Lie
your badge
down.
number?
Lie down.
Officer, what's your badge
Lie
number?
down or you're
Officer,
gonna
what's
get
your badge
tased.
number?
Lie
Officer,
down or
what's
you're
your
gonna
badge
get
number?
tased.
Officer, what's your badge number?
Lie
Officer,
down, you're
what's
gonna
your
get
badge
tased.
number? Oh! Officer, what's your badge
Get down.
number? Oh!
Get down.
Officer, what's your badge number?
Get down. I'm gonna tase you again.
Officer, what's your badge number?
Put your hands on
Officer,
your
what's your
fucking
badge
back.
number? Officer, what's your badge number?
Put your hands
What's
behind
your
your
badge
fucking back.
number? What's your badge number? Officer, what's your
I'm gonna
badge
tase
number?
you again.
Officer, what's your badge number? Officer!
Put your hands behind your back.
Officer,
Pay for
what's
the
your
blood.
badge number? Officer, what's your badge
Get the
number?
fuck
Officer,
down.
what's your badge number? Officer, what's your badge number? Officer, what's your badge number?
Put your hands
Officer,
on your
what's your
fucking
badge
back.
number? Officer! Officer, what's your badge number? Officer, what's your badge number? Officer, what's your badge number?
Roll over on your
What's your
fucking
badge number?
stomach.
What's your badge number?
I'm gonna
Officer,
tase
what's your badge
again.
number? What's your badge number? Officer, what's your badge number?
Roll over on your back.
Officer, what's your badge number? Officer, what's your
Roll
badge
over on your
number?
back.
What's your badge number?
I'm gonna tase you again.
Are you
Roll
a federal
over.
officer? Who are you? Are you a federal officer? Who are you?
Put your hands behind your back.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Get your 174. Speed him up.
Turn around.
Roll over. Asshole.
Roll over.
Okay. I got his hands.
Speed him up.
Officer, what's your badge number? Officer,
Chill out, man. Chill out.
officer, what's your badge number? Officer, what's your badge number?
Get him off my back. Get my cuffs off my back.
Officer,
I got this one.
what's your badge number?
I got this one. Get him on. Get him on his chest. Get him on his chest. Get him on his chest. I got this one. Don't worry. Don't worry.
I'm gonna break your neck, asshole.
Chill out, man. Chill out.
Number. Your badge number. Officer, what's your badge number?
You got it? Alright. Yeah. You're gonna have to give me this
What's your badge
arm.
number?
You have to give me this arm, man. I gotta put it back.
What's your badge number, officer?
I got this one right here.
Let go of me.
I got it. Ooh.
You okay? You good?
He's got a bunch of scrapes and stuff too. I'm not sure if that was from us or before, but.
No.
Chill out, man. Yeah.
Knock it up. Just get on the follow. Yes, sir. Right there. You guys are good? No. Not yet. One minute happens.
You good, Sarge?
Yeah, we're good, man.
Breathing, right? You okay, sir?
Call somebody real quick.
You're not breathing, man. You're not breathing.
Let me know when you're ready to switch.
He's coming back. He's coming back.
Barely right now.
Yeah, right now.
Barely right now. Yeah, right now.